Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
So you're here today for a treatment because you feel like your hair's a bit thirsty after the third session of blonding.
With the third session, it's gotten a bit too dry.
So as you know, curly hair is always looking for that extra hydration. And since your hair's already been lightened quite a few times, your hair needs that strengthening. I know you don't like it to be weighed down too much, so we're gonna make sure we use that lightweight mask and really make sure you're getting the best of both worlds. This is the Bonfinity service, the Nourishing Shampoo, the Bonfinity Treatment Mask for fine hair, and the Hydrate Booster. The Nourishing Shampoo provides gentle cleansing repair while locking in hair's own keratin, enhancing smoothness, providing nourishment and moisture, shine, and improved manageability. The Bonfinity treatment intensively replenishes damaged structures and provides advanced smoothness, shine, improved combability, locking in hair's own keratin while providing long-lasting resilience and elasticity. The Hydrate Booster is a concentrated booster formulated with electrolytes. It recharges dry, brittle hair, leaving the hair hydrated, bouncy, and silky to the touch. Okay, Sarah, how do you like your hair?
Oh, I love it. I'm obsessed. I think this is exactly what we needed. We got the moisture, we got the definition, and we got the volume, so I couldn't be happier.
This is beautiful. Your hair looks nice and strong, healthy, shiny. We got the life back into your curls.
Yes.
I love it.
No, I'm obsessed.
To maintain these beautiful results at home, I recommend the FIBRE CLINIX Hydrate line, shampoo, conditioner, mask, and leave-in, and I think you're gonna just love them.
Yeah, I'm excited to use them at home. I can't wait.